uh, before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button to stay updated on all things entertainment. Now, have you ever wondered what it takes to regain power after losing everything, especially in a chaotic world ruled by survival and shifting alliances? That's exactly the story unfolding in the latest chapter of a post-apocalyptic saga. Uh, 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 Picture this: Negan, once a feared leader, finds himself in the heart of a devastated New York. Though initially reluctant, he's caught in a web spun by a formidable figure, the Dama, who offers him a chance to reclaim control over the fractured city. But it's not just about power. It's a delicate game involving those he cares about most. Maggie, a fierce protector and Negan's reluctant partner, has her own agenda. She deceives Negan, leading to his capture by a powerful Manhattan faction. The twist: this faction doesn't want to destroy him, they want him to lead. The Dama believes only someone like Negan can unite the city's warring factions against external threats. At first, Negan resists. He burned bridges with his past self, even destroying his iconic barbed wire bat as a symbol of change. But when the Dama reveals a very grim token, a severed toe of Herschel, a young boy, Negan, was responsible for. Negan's resolve is tested, and no matter his past, he can't ignore the plight of family. Despite being locked away, fed little more than insects, Negan stands firm. Years of imprisonment have hardened him, and this is just another test of endurance. But the Dama has a secret weapon. She hints that Negan's family, his son and Annie, are returning a clear leverage to push him back into action. Realizing that protecting his family means returning to his former self, Negan accepts a new bat, a symbol signaling the return of the classic Negan. However, characters and viewers alike are left guessing. Is this the ruthless villain of old, or a new man playing a role to protect those he loves? The real power isn't just in the bat or leather jacket. It's in Negan's skills as a negotiator and strategist. His task to unite the city's factions against a looming federated force. And meanwhile, tensions rise as Maggie prepares for the coming fight, even clashing with her own allies driven by vengeance against Negan's past betrayals. What's fascinating is this tangled dance of redemption and rivalry, transaction. Negan's journey from villain to protector has been compelling, and fans hope the narrative doesn't undo that growth, even if it means stirring up old conflicts for the sake of thrilling drama. So here's a little joke on the side. Why did Negan bring a barbed wire bat to a negotiation? And because sometimes you got to hit the point home. And with that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, hope